Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So, you remember my last video in which I did the unboxing of my 2020 iMac 27-inch, and I mentioned that there is a way where you can save 2,500 Canadian dollars by purchasing the memory from outside. So in this video, I finally received my memories that I ordered from Amazon. These are Samsung by Samsung, 32 GB each. So it's total of 128 GB that I got in my hand here. That is 4 slots that these will be going into. So in this video, I'll show you how to install them on my 2020 27-inch iMac, and then we'll also start the iMac and show you how they look in the system configuration. To start off with, place the iMac on a flat top, the screen at the bottom. Make sure it's a very soft cloth or something you have underneath that, so the screen doesn't get scratched. And disconnect the power cord, and you probably see this button here right where the power cord goes. You need to press this to release the RAM memory slot box, and underneath this slot box is where you insert the memory. So let me show you how you disconnect. You can get a soft screwdriver or something to press this, and I've tried pressing with my nail. You could possibly try and do that. It does work sometimes it doesn't. So you see it's not working right now, but what you can do is I have a soft screwdriver. If I press and hold this down, the slot disconnects and pops out. So the slot disconnects. All you have to do is apply a little bit of force and it disconnects. Here it is. So it's disconnected. I'll show you what it shows. There you go. So it shows even the direction, how to put the slot in and what to do. Just to give you an idea of how the case looks and what's the reason. So you see it has like this spring sort of material on all 4 corners that lets it fit tightly around the iMac. So I'll show you here. What you need to do is there are arrows pointing, so you press both arrows and it releases this latch. So it shows me by default the 2 RAM card slots, which is 4 GB each, that I got from Apple with it. What I'll do is I'll try pulling it out and disconnecting. So that's the first one here. So just to show you what you get with when you purchase are these 2 standard. So it's 4 GB each of RAM memory that's in by default. What I have purchased are 4 of these Samsung 32 GB ones. So this is what the Samsung one that I've purchased, if you just want it for reference. It's made in Korea and it's 32 GB each. Let's go ahead and insert the 4 that I have purchased. Okay, make sure you apply a little bit of pressure on both the ends. And that's the first one in. So as you can see, I've inserted all the 4 memory cards, 32 GB each, in the slot. Let's go ahead and lock this back in to place. You will hear a clicking sound that shows that it's locked in its place, and we'll go ahead and place this box back. To put it back, all you have to do is just push it in and click it in from all the 4 corners, and it's all done. So let's go ahead and start the iMac and look at the new memory. We'll go into this Apple logo on the top left corner and click About This Mac. Once we click, we see the operating system, and as you can see here, the memory shows 128 GB at 2667 megahertz DDR4 RAM. And this is what we upgraded and saved 2,500 Canadian dollars. I'm sure it's about close to $2,000 in US dollars as well. Let's go ahead, click the memory up here, and yes, as you can see, it's 32 GB in each slot. As previously it was 4 GB here and 4 GB here. Now it's 30 to 32. It's showing me 128 GB here. Let's go back into the overview and click on the system report and then go down here to memory. Okay, and we see the slot 1 is 32, slot 2 is 32, 3, 4, all 4 slots are 32 GB now. In total 128, the speed is 2667 megahertz. The status is okay, and this is the number we're looking at. So once we install it in the system, what we're looking at is the speed of all 4 same. You can see down here, even it says slot 1, who is the manufacturer, Samsung, the part number, serial number. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any future updates. I will also be linking in the description below the Amazon link from where I purchased the Samsung memory, and also my previous video, just in case you're interested in seeing how the unboxing was. Till next time, take care, and we'll talk to you soon.